Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Today I want to talk about 4 key roles that all option traders should know. These are my favorite roles. Now, I want to present the first 3 in the context of a covered call, but make sure you stay for the 4th one because that one is by far my favorite one. Now, let's say that we have a covered call in just say spiders, and we own the shares, and maybe we have sold, let's pull up a more elaborate option chain here. Maybe we sold these 428 calls, right? Well, what happens if over the next day or so, the stock rallies up and is trading close to 428? Well, then that short strike may start to run into trouble. And so we use a technique that we call rolling up. And basically all we do is we buy a debit call spread. We buy the 428 calls and at the same time, as part of one trade, sell the 429 calls. That's called rolling up. Now, what if we sold those 428 calls and everything went pretty well? We have the objective to skate on it. And we do, and the stock ends up being pretty much where it is right now, coming up close to expiration. Now imagine we can buy those 428 calls that were short back at like a dime, taking in the lion's share of the profit on it, 90% of it, and then we can just roll out to sell an option that has, again, maybe 5 days until expiration with the same strike. So that's basically just simply selling a time spread. We would be buying the 428 calls that were short in the October 25th expiration. That's when there's maybe just a day left to expiration. And then selling some that have another 5 days left. Okay, so that's selling a time spread. Now, for the third roll, we can do something called rolling up and out. Maybe as time passed, spiders are a little bit higher and we want to roll up to a higher strike to give ourselves more room and less of a chance of getting assigned, more of a chance of skating, but out to a further week to collect more premium in order to keep this wheel trade going. So that is rolling up and out. Now, my favorite roll is this one.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you